Good day everyone. My name is Jan Christopher Peterson and I am Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, BSCP student. Today I will be sharing my video reflection about cybercrime, cyber attacks, and cybersecurity awareness. As a computer engineering student, this topic is very important to me because it is closely related to technology, systems, and the digital world that we were interact with every day. And the first question is, what is cybercrime? And give at least 10 examples of cybercrimes. Cybercrimes refers to any illegal activity that is done using computers, networks, or the internet. These crimes usually aim to steal information, money, or identities, or to cause damage to systems and users. With the continuous growth of technology, cybercrime has also become more common and more sophisticated. These are the some example of cybercrimes. First, phishing. Phishing is when you're sending fake emails or messages to trick users into giving their personal information. Next is identity theft, stealing someone's personal details and using them for illegal activities. Online scams, deceiving people to send money or sensitive data. Hacking, gaining unauthorized access to accounts or systems. Malware attacks, spreading harmful software like viruses or spyware. Ransomware, locking files and threatening some through online platforms. Cyber stalking, harassing or threatening someone through online platforms. Online piracy, illegally downloading or sharing copyrighted content. Credit card fraud, stealing and misusing card information. And the last is data breaches, illegally accessing confidential or private data. These examples show how cybercrime can affect individuals, companies, and even governments. Next question is, what is a cyber attack? Give at least 10 examples and explain each. A cyber attack is an intentional attempt to damage, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to a computer system, network, or data. Cyber attacks are often planned and executed by attackers to exploit system vulnerabilities. And the first example of cyber attack is malware attack. When you're using malicious software to damage or a control system, that is called malware attack. Phishing attack, tricking users into revealing sensitive information, and ransomware attack, encrypting data and demanding payment for recovery. And denial of service or DOS attack, overwhelming a system to make it unavailable. And distributed denial of service, DDoS attack, using multiple devices to flood a network. And man-in-the-middle attack, secretly intercepting communication between users. And SQL injection, inserting malicious command into a database. Next is password attacks, attempting to crack or steal passwords. Next is spoofing, pretending to be a trusted source or identity. And the last is zero-day attack, exploiting unknown software vulnerabilities. And as a BSCP student, learning about these attacks helped me understand how the system can be compromised and how they can be protected. And question number 3 is, will cybersecurity professionals and experts be relevant and in demand in the future? For me, it's yes. Cybersecurity professionals and experts will be definitely be relevant and in high demand in the future. As technology continues to evolve, cyber threats also increase in number and complexity. Almost all industries now depend on digital systems, including finance, healthcare, education, and government services. With the rise of cloud computing, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and online transactions, more data is being stored and transferred digitally. This also means more opportunities of cyber criminals to attack systems. Because of this, companies and organizations will always need cybersecurity experts to protect their networks and data. And for students taking computer-related course like me, cybersecurity is a field with strong career growth, job stability, and global opportunities. And for the question number 4, are you interested in pursuing a career in cybersecurity? And for me, yes, I am very interested in pursuing a career in cybersecurity. As a computer engineering student, I enjoy learning how systems work, from hardware to software, and how they can be protected from threats. Cybersecurity interests me because it is both challenging and meaningful. It requires critical thinking, continuous learning, and problem-solving skills. Technology keeps changing, so cybersecurity professionals must always adapt and improve their knowledge. And another reason why I am interested in that cybersecurity helps protect people's privacy, data, and safety. Knowing that my skills could help prevent cyber attacks and protect system motivates me to consider this career path seriously. For the last question, what are your takeaways on this topic on cybersecurity awareness? My main takeaway from this topic is that cybersecurity awareness is essential for everyone, not just IT professionals. Cybercrimes and cyber attacks are real and can happen to anyone. And whether you are a student, a professional, or even a large organization, I realized that even small mistakes like clicking on a suspicious link, using weak password, or sharing personal information carelessly can lead to serious consequences. And I also learned that being safe online is not just about using software or tools, but about being disciplined, cautious, and responsible. Simple habits like regularly updating softwares, using strong password, and avoiding suspicious websites, enabling two-factor authentication can prevent many cyber threats. And as a BSCP student, this topic made me appreciate the importance of building secure systems and practicing safe digital habits in my daily life. Cybersecurity is not only about protecting data, it's about protecting people's privacy, financial information, and digital safety. This awareness is something that I will carry with me both as a student and as a future professional in the tech industry. And in conclusion, learning about cyber crimes, cyber attacks, and cybersecurity awareness has shown me how critical it is to be informed and responsible online. Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility, and everyone who uses the internet must take steps to protect themselves and others. This topic is also inspired me to consider a career in cybersecurity because I realize how meaningful and challenging this field is. Protecting systems, data, and people from cyber threats is not only important for organizations but for society as a whole. Finally, I encourage everyone, especially students like me, to take cybersecurity seriously. practicing safe online habits, being cautious with personal information, and staying aware of potential threats are small but powerful steps toward a safer digital world. And thank you for listening, and I hope my reflection helps you to understand the importance of cybersecurity awareness in our daily lives. Thank you.